Welcome to this video, and in this one I'm going to show you and explain to you how to download video from Instagram and repost them in your Instagram account. And this will actually help you get more followers because people like to view videos either in Instagram, either in another or other platforms. And let's just go into it. So before you can download videos from Instagram, you need to get one application from Google Play Store, and that application is this one that I'm just moving around. It's called Video Downloader, and yeah, anyway, it is very easy to get it. Just go into Google Play Store and get it, and after that we can go in Instagram here. Okay, when you have already this specific application, then what do? And this is what I'm going to show you. So let's just go and find a specific video. Oh, this seems interesting. Anyway, whatever type of video you want to upload. Okay, so let's say you want to upload this one. Okay, then you go to these three little dots on the right top corner and you press this. Oh, it's in Greek, but anyway, you can make it happen also in whatever language you have Instagram installed, and you click the third one, which is, the translation would be copy link. So you click that. Good. And you go to Video Downloader. It actually has it ready. So what you do is you go to this pink little ball or circular type of thing, and you press repost. And it has two different options. The first one says feed, which is all of the posts that the people that you follow and you do, and in general people, and stories. You can actually upload it in a story, but let's just go into the feed first. Good. So then you click next up here in the right top corner, and right here what you have are different filters that you can